Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
76 winners, BA, new, Foffins, Babes, the top winners. Congratulations. Let's continue with the next round. Everyone, good luck at the game, guys. Let's play. Here goes the next one, guys. Let's continue another spin. 2x on the 2. Reminding about autoplay feature now gives players an option to place their meta bets automatically for certain meta games. You look like Ricky Martin. Yeah, I haven't heard that in a long time, bud. Hey, look at that, guys. Crazy time. Crazy time's here. Let's have some fun. Follow me. Bonus game time, guys. Let's score big on this one. Green, blue, and yellow. Those are the flappers available for you to choose. All right, let's see. 100X on the line. Let's get it. Blue, 20 yellow, greens got a double. Yeah, 15, 20 ain't too great, yeah. Let's hope the green's gonna be able to turn it around. 200X gonna be the highest prize. Let's spin one more time. Oh, ho, ho, ho. 200X on the green. Merry Christmas. Woo! Yeah, buddy. That's how you do it. 4,407 winners. That's nice. On with the next one. Let's continue. Do you and your wife like to travel? Yes?
And we have 11 players with us with 100X. Mr. Scorpio with a 669 euro. But it's 20X, and there we go. Flexing your muscles? What? Wait a minute. Why do you solve the Bobby flexing with the muscles? Whoa. Oh my, Becca, it's for you. Crazy time for the free X. Like quicker, buddy. Come on, it's what. There we go. Ha The king is back. Welcome to the crazy time. Here we go, 3X on the wheel. Let's multiply everything. So there we go. Green color, blue one, or yellow one flapper. Decide which one gonna be a lucky one, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this. So 300X is the highest one. I wish you best of luck. There we go. And there we go, 45X blue, 45X for the yellow, double trouble for the green. And there we go, 600X. There we go, show your muscles. There. 120X green, 45X blue, 45X for the yellow. Yeah, hey, welcome back. 1089 plays Butters. So, Becca, I was speaking with the Jason here to tell you was mad at me because I didn't tell you. I would love to be tired, but I'm not. Surprisingly, I'm still not. But today, my hair isn't doing justice. My hair shows me that I am wet, but I'm not. Maybe from you guys, when is your birthday? November 7th. I am a Scorpio, don't be afraid. What's exactly this year's one crazy time of 4F? Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time with 4X. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, 4X. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for you to pick between green, blue, and yellow. Let's see what you're gonna pick here. Let's go for the best, guys. I love you. It's a kiss for all of you wonderful people. Woo-hoo. And the highest is 400X. Good luck! Woo! And it's gonna be a double as well on the below. Boom! The highest is 800X. Let's go, baby! Hey, 200X ain't that bad. Congratulations, guys! Woohoo! Congratulations for 200X. Hey, guys, that ain't bad at all. Congratulations, guys. Let's keep on moving forward. Good luck. Love, man. Thanks.
Hear that, actually. 953 winners. Congratulations to you. Special congratulations goes to top favorites and Betsy Rubin. Also, don't forget about the available autoplay function. Hi. Bets are closed. Excellent one from the Topslot. Hi, Gerald. Come on, Grace time. Come on. Let's go. We got the Grace time. Finally. The highest multiplier is 100. Good luck. Now the highest multiplier is 200. The house multiplier is 400. I'm back, guys. Whoa, amazing, amazing. 2,622 total winners. Congratulations to you. Special compliments to top 5 winners and bets are open. 200 on the yellow flopper. Amazing. That's our glow.
161 winners. My special compliments to the top winners. Bets are now open. Let's go. It's not a hard thing to find me, Ash, actually. 7X on cash on. It's pretty obvious, you know. Oh, look at that, guys. Woo-hoo! And we got it. Let's go to Cash Hunt. So, welcome everyone to Cash Hunt. Okay, first of all, let's calm down and let's see which is our highest multiplier. Okay, 100X, but wait, guys. Wait, this is Cash Hunt with 7X. So, that means that the highest multiplier is 700X. Ah! Let's go. Let's go. Okay, people, prepare for decision time. Okay, guys, decision time has started. Take your time, choose wisely, choose the character that you feel the most confident with to win that 700X. Okay, let's go. And there you have it, guys. Let's go back to the wheel. Congratulations to all of the 1,896 winners. Bets are now open. Hopefully you all really hunted some cash. It was a good cash hunt, guys. It really was.
Comments to 279 winners. The bets are open. Place your bets and get ready for next round. Hello and welcome, new players. Thank you for joining and spending your time here with me. My name is Jennifer. I am your host. We have a cash hunt with 15X. It's a shocking information. It is a one. What? What's happening? What? Okay, I'm kind of in disbelief right now. Welcome to the cash hunt. I'm in disbelief myself. Okay. We have 15X top slot, so the biggest multiplier is a 1,500. Now it's your time to choose a target. I mean, if you don't know where to shoot your shot, you can always use auto pick. And let's see, what do we have? It's amazing to see these kind of numbers. Congratulations to all the winners. 6 people got 1,500X. Amazing! But these eyes now closed. Did you see that? Did you see that?
1585 total winnings. Beautiful work, ladies and gentlemen. Bet open. Place your bet. Says you're more like Pedro Pascal. I keep getting that one as well. It's either Ed Sheeran or Pedro Pascal, and I don't know which one I like more. Bet's close. I mean, after Gladiator 2, you gotta go with Pedro Pascal. My name is Maximus Sidious Aurelius. Great movie, by the way. I mean, 6.7 if you really like the first Gladiator. Crazy 10X. Yes, please. Oh my lord, he's actually hitting the... See you on the other side. The big wheel of crazy time, ladies and gentlemen, with nothing but the best 10x multiplier approaching. How y'all doing, chat? Come on, I need some more movement in the chat. Hype it up, baby, hype it up. Time to pick your flip-flap, but before that, add that beautiful 10x multiplier. Ooh, scrumptious. Alrighty. I give you the decision, ladies and gentlemen, green, blue, or yellow. Which one is gonna find the highest multiplier, the doubles and the triples as well? Everybody's excited, ladies and gentlemen, with the highest multiplier currently standing at a beautiful 1000X, but there's still some doubles and triples out there. Get it, baby! Alrighty, 250, and a yellow flapper with a 500. Woo-wee. You just let people know what happened here today. In the great words of Obi-Wan Kenobi, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the wheel. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Hot and spicy, I hope. Bets are closed, bets are...
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.